Let's talk a little bit about a life and legacy planning session. This is how I do planning with people. When we think about estate planning, people are often thinking about legal documents, and your legal documents are really important. But I consider what I do to be life and legacy planning. It's a step above estate planning, and it makes sure that what you're getting is really personalized to yourself, your loved ones, your assets, and we make sure that your plan is going to work when we need it. The way I conduct a life and legacy planning session is that I have you do a little bit of homework ahead of time. It's pretty easy, takes no more than a half an hour. It's about your assets and the people in your life. And then I review that in advance of our meeting. We sit down together and you tell me all about your people and all about your assets. And I tell you about the law and how it applies to your people and the assets and what would really happen if something were to happen to you under your current set of circumstances, whether that's an estate plan that you created several years ago, or no plan at all. Most people don't realize that if they don't have an estate plan in California, they really do. The state has one for you, and it's called going to probate. We talk about what it means to go to probate in our life and legacy planning session so that you can make informed decisions on whether that's something that's worth trying to avoid or not for you. And then in our meeting, once you have a really good understanding of what would happen, we figure out what you want in your plan, what you want and what you don't want. And I have you pick your fee based on what you want and what you don't want. A life and legacy planning session is 2 hours long. It doesn't always take that much time. We use that time to work through your personal situation so that by the end of the planning session, you feel like you really understand why you've made the choices you've made and what your estate plan is going to do for you. And you can feel confident that you've made the right decisions for yourself and your loved ones going forward. So that's what I do in a life and legacy planning session. I'd love to chat with you more about it. Feel free to reach out.